Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today I'll show you how to prepare almond milk at home. If you want to go dairy free, you can use this milk as a substitute for cow's milk. You can use this milk to prepare smoothies or shakes, or you can give this to your child if they don't like having nuts and all. So this is a great way to incorporate nuts into their diet. Before starting the recipe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos as soon as they are released. So let's move on and have a look at the ingredients required. So here I have 1.5 cups of soaked almonds. I soaked the almonds overnight with some clean water. 2 to 3 drops of vanilla extract. This is optional. If you want some extra flavoring, you can add it. Otherwise, you can skip adding the vanilla extract. Now I have taken a mixer jar here. We are going to pour in our almonds. Now I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. And we will grind this. Now the almonds look like this. They are still into chunky consistency. We are going to add around 5 cups of water and we will grind it again. Now after grinding for 1 minute, our mixture look like this. You can see this has become nice and frothy. Now if you want to add any flavoring in this, you can do so now. So I'm going to just add a dash of vanilla extract. And at this stage, if you want to make your almond milk sweet, you can add any sweeteners. You can go for some natural ones like dates or raw honey. Otherwise, you can go for sugars. And we will just churn this again for just few seconds. Now after churning again, now I have a bowl and I'm going to take a strainer or a mash and we are going to pour in our milk in this. We are doing this so that any chunks of almonds stay on the mash and the milk will get inside the bowl. Now with the help of the spoon, I will just stir so that all the liquid goes nicely through the strainer. Now as you can see, we are left with the chunks of almonds on the strainer and milk has been collected in the bowl. The chunks of almonds can be used to prepare any kind of desserts, or you can use this in any gravies. So you can store this in some airtight container inside the refrigerator. Here I have prepared just the basic almond milk, and you can store the almond milk in some glass bottle or airtight container inside the refrigerator and it will stay good for 3 to 5 days. So do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, bye bye.